The next time you're looking for summertime refreshment, you have to try this blueberry watermelon drink. Blueberries are among the most nutrient-dense berries. They're high in fiber, they're low in calories, they contain vitamin C and vitamin K. They have the highest antioxidant levels of all common fruits and vegetables, and those antioxidants help fight cancer. Studies also show that blueberries are tied to lowering blood pressure. Watermelon is also packed with nutrients like vitamin A and vitamin C. It also has antioxidants, including lycopene, which is a great cancer fighter. To make this drink, you're going to need a high-powered blender, blueberries, watermelon, a little bit of lime, possibly a little bit of honey, and some garnish like mint. All right, you're going to take your ingredients and put them in your blender. Start with your blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen. Watermelon, just 1 cup. Your sweetener of choice, and then you can do a splash of lime. The lime is optional, but it gives it just a little bit of flavor. And that's it. You blend it up. So here you have it, an amazing, flavorful drink that boasts a host of nutritional benefits. You can even use it as a post-workout drink. In fact, you can sub it for soda and even that sugary lemonade. So don't forget, if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. See you next time.